stream. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. I'm good, man. Getting hammered this morning. What's happening, man? PNCB. Yep, that's why I swung puts for the most part. All right. So, I feel you, Atlas. I'm sorry, man. Enjoy it. All right, so just going to go ahead and briefly go over the news. So right now, the minutes highlight is right now the Fed's split over the labor market, bond buying, tapering, unemployment, not so bad. I think pretty much everybody in their mother is concerned with the unemployment numbers, but those were relatively relaxed from where people expected them to be. Officials felt that the benchmark for decreasing support for the economy could be reached this year, but appeared to disagree on other key aspects of where the monetary policy should turn next in the transition for the pandemic crisis, according to last month's policy meeting. The U.S. states rushed to meet a deadline to join a $26 billion opioid settlement. U.S. states are racing to meet a deadline to commit to a $26 billion opioid settlement. Three drug distributors and drug maker Johnson & Johnson. Let's see. Three U.S. senators urge more Taiwanese help on automotive chip shortage. A trio of U.S. Democratic senators have asked the Taiwanese government for more help to address the ongoing chip shortage that has left numerous American auto production lines standing idle at times, according to a letter reviewed by Reuters. So far, U.S. stock futures and European stock equities fell, as the minutes from the Fed's July meeting showed tapering of its massive stimulus is possible this year. Japan's market closed lower following a report that Toyota plans to slash its global output, while Chinese shares ended down, dragged by consumer staples and financial stocks. The dollar rose and the gold prices were little changed. Oil dropped to its lowest in about 3 months, pressured by concerns and weaker demands as COVID-19 cases rise globally. So, I don't know. Like, poor computer, I don't even know how it was running. So, some stocks to watch, of course. We got NVIDIA, Hood, and Cisco. Victoria's Secret's also another one to watch. They went from being down I think it was like 125 million to flipping that being up this quarter around 151 million. So quite a reversal there for Victoria's Secret. And a lot of consumers. Estee Lauder is another one. So health and beauty and that kind of stuff that's seemingly getting some enjoyment or some benefits from the resurgence and reopening. All right. Kia Soul. What are you guys selling? Souls in here? Hold on. Y'all calm down in the chat now. All right. Sorry about that, man. All right. don't know if anybody bought SNOA with me in pre-market here. We hit a high of 1038 from the fill that we got around 970, but we're watching this one for a potential continuation. All right, there we go. Okay, so real quick, our major ETFs. Nice job, Daniel. Good morning. Good morning. Yeah, for sure. Yo, nice monitor pickup, dude. Those are, hopefully they work. But those are nice. Nice job. Yeah. All right, so we got 847 here. So let's take a look at SPY pre-market here. Yeah, wow. Look at that second mark, guys. So wow, 434. That target got hit. My speculative support broken. I don't know. Oh, that was a previous resistance. Wow. So big bounce. So one of the things I don't like is I don't like when gaps get filled in pre-market. This gap got filled on SPY. That being said, more than likely we'll see further downside because the retest has already occurred. Now, this isn't guaranteed, but this is cyclically what I tend to see happen. This is also 437.50. That is a resistance. Hold on.
Here, Daddy.
Alright, let me get my glasses. Alright. Oops. Alright, cool. Qs. Same deal on the Qs, guys. Gap filled, sitting with a bear flag in pre-market. So you can kind of set the trend line right there, and it's going to be just as simple as setting. And we know SPY, so we know where we're at on those higher time frames. If you look at the Qs, guys, we're getting really, really close to that 200-day EMA, that 357.70 mark. So that's where we will be watching for a bounce. But I also want to remind you guys, if you guys were with us last night and listening, the 200-day EMA, or the daily, I think it's the 50. Yeah, the 50 EMA is where the Qs go berserk. They lose their mind. You can go historically look when you get there and chop ensues. We are not in for a easy trading day if that occurs. Momentum has slowly but surely, this has been expected. We were short on tech. We were waiting for some type of turnover, and guess what? Today is the first day that the Qs on the daily have flipped over on the whole ribbon indicator, signifying that momentum has finally significantly shifted to the downside. So, all right. let's just pull up Benzinga Pro. Hold on one second. Let's go, man. Tom, great job, man. Account crossing that 6K mark. That's beautiful, man. I'm really proud. Regardless of what you've done, and I'm sure you've learned a lot on the way that you've done that. So that's awesome, man. I'm really happy to hear that. Oh, are you serious right now? Sorry, guys. All right. Just logging into Benzinga Pro. By the way, guys, we are partnered now with Benzinga Pro. So those of you who are looking to acquire that scanner, I'll be making a video on that scanner and how I use it. But nonetheless, we are partnered now. So, what did I just do? Okay, there we go. All right, so IWM, this one's looking pretty red right now, guys. It is in that bounce zone. Guys, this is a huge, huge, huge support for the Qs. I can't huge, just one more time. If a turnover or a reversal would happen anywhere, it would happen here. Now, one thing that I do not like already in pre-market is the movement of this candle. This candle, so far, hourly 20 EMA. That's the IWM's respected hourly mark. Gap filled, rejection off of that 9. So, choppy, yes, until we finally get a sense of direction in either way. So right now, our resistance is very, very, very far away from us. I would suspect that above 213.72, we would be looking at a potential bounce there. So. BioC, BioC guys here in pre-market. Hey, Atlas, if he's, I don't think he's on. BioC, I'm setting an alert on this one. I think it might have been halted there. 4:30, we'll set an alert there. Watch that one for a flush. All right. Anyway, Dow completely reversing yesterday as well. Pre-market looking really bad already. This one we did talk about where it needs to head to get the bounce. We're almost there. So 4 hour, you see a correction here from daily. You'll notice that it's a little bit cleaner. But if you go down to the 4 hour, it looks as if the support bounce is going to happen here today. So. Nice job, man. All right, fresh page in my notebook today. All right, 1 second. All right, so besides that, I want to talk about Rblx. So Rblx did gap down. If you're long on this, I'm hanging on to whatever position I have, and I'm just going to play Rblx to the downside. And if anything, I'll just play my way out of it, up or down, doesn't matter. And I'll be watching for a bounce today. Okay, hold on a second. BioC just crossed my alert. All right, eyes on BioC above this 431 mark. I don't know if they have news or something of that nature, but this is a relatively strong pop. They do tend to pump and dump though. I have not talked about Tesla. We'll look at Tesla here. Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's up, everybody? Alright, let's, sorry. Yeah, we'll look at it. Root insurance. Okay, we'll keep an eye on it. Sorry, guys. Got a lot going on this morning with DMs from people. I'm not sure what happened. SPY calls at the open. We'll be watching for a bounce, so. Yeah, hop on the YouTube, guys. It's gonna be a little easier. Okay, BioC, guys. I also watching Microsoft short as well. I think most stocks today, guys. I'm gonna just wait a couple minutes at the bell before I take a position either up or down. I will say, guys, that AMD did have a lot of insider selling. I do still believe we'll see that $100 retest. So. Blink. Got it. Hold on 1 second, guys. Woke up to about like 900 DMs this morning, so. NVIDIA moving up in pre-market. Brief concepts inside it. Nice. Okay, so that's what Bioset's running on right now?
It's 9 o'clock.
Okay. You know, I may go ahead and just scale into a few shares, but I'm curious to see how we open, but I do like it above this 430 mark, so I think I'll go ahead and just grab a few shares here. Snee, did you grab puts? Did anybody grab Blink puts with me? Anybody, hands up if you grabbed Blink puts yesterday. Just so I know. Oh, that's right. Yeah, you're printing both ways. Yeah, this one looks primed for a continuation to the downside today. But it looks to potentially break 40, or 30, excuse me. So, NVIDIA here in pre-market, still holding its 200-day EMA at 189 or 190, so everything's still in trend on there. PLTR, I mean, honestly, you're still holding that major bullish moving average here. So we'll see how the market reacts. It's really going to be purely determined on how the market moves here this morning. All right, BioC. If you guys got into BioC, that one's looking pretty good here. Just closing above 431. All right. So there's a couple of different. I think Microsoft short to me this morning looks relatively good. Already waking up, already showing a weakness this morning. So we'll be watching that one for a potential retest, but that one looks to potentially move to the downside. Tesla, I know, has an event soon, and it does have a gap to fill past 680. That gap gets filled at 685. So that's a $5 move. Those of you who make sure you're patient and you watch that to play out, but also remember that we could very easily reverse. And if you don't have the setup to scalp, then don't do it. God dang, Caterpillar back down in the gulag. Alright, well, also Baidu broke 140, guys. Major gap to fill here. Might end up seeing that happen today if the market rallies at all to the upside. Damn. Yeah, he took some profit. I would too. The market might dump, so. Yeah, do that one. What's up? What's up, everybody on YouTube? Good morning. Huh. Robinhood says it doesn't plan to sell shares.
Robinhood doesn't plan to sell shares to raise funds. See?
I got that thing. It reads my email to me now. It's really annoying. Fubo's shooting up here strong this morning. Nice. Okay, so she actually has got some good news. Aapl puts, I wouldn't jump into those immediately. Those are more of a good swing, in my opinion. And that's just my opinion. I think that they move more after hours. But be careful shorting them at these levels. There we go. Oh shit. General Motors, AT&T. Guys, I think what I'm doing today, I'll be honest with you guys, is I'm just going to be watching the market to see which way we move and whether we're going to continue to the downside. SPY is at a very critical level, and if you look at the daily, 433, 434 on the dot, I don't think we go lower than that, at least not today. So that is the daily 50-day EMA. That is where SPY always bounces, and we are already back there. So that correction happening really quickly. How about PLTR? What about it? PLTR? It's holding right now. So what you need to do on PLTR is you need to set alerts. So you need to set alerts for the gap to get filled to 2540. And once that gap gets filled, if you actually end up breaking that gap, you'll notice that it's almost a bit of a flag. It's in control. So starting off that high, pull your resistance down. You'll notice that this is actually more of a bull flag. So, Sushi with Newsman. Moderna. mRNA. That one looks like it could end up making an inverse head and shoulders, but watch for a 380 retest first. So, all right. So SPY 436.80. Shit, man. Pen, DKNG. this is a failed pattern on Aapl. So I think that we could end up having a retest day. That just personally, guys, I'm starting to speculate that we bounce today, and you know, with any good pullback, we get a good fake out. You know, either that's to the up or the downside. So yeah, Astro makes a good points about Tesla too. You know, we could end up seeing a nice movement from them. One thing that I'm going to turn my attention to is some of the sniper flow that we saw yesterday coming in towards the end of the day. We saw Car G, 917, $28 strike. We saw Tech, crowd put flow. And then as far as the golden sleeps, we saw Amazon 917, 3200 strike, which I believe was in the money. So we'll see what happens, guys. I think that we do end up getting a bounce here. We might dump for the first initial part of the day and go and retest that 58 EMA. Guys, for me, I think I talked about this last night. Microsoft is probably where I'm looking to take this to 285. I like this one to the downside. So 285, more than likely going to grab a 285 strike. And then if you're going out any further, remember we're in weeklies, so if you guys are new or you're not used to trading options, it's always okay to go out till next week. If you're looking at taking a position that may end up being a day trade, if you're not scalping something, then you need to be out of the money and protected in some extent, or not out of the money, but you need to be in something that is cost effective and isn't going to hurt your feelings if it ends up reversing on you. So, all right, what are we watching? Fubo reverse, PLTR showing some strength. Snapchat. Okay, Snapchat, write these down. So Snapchat has a gnarly gap below it, guys. Gnarly. So I want to take that. I want to short that gap. Potentially, this is the, if I'm not mistaken, we are currently in the gap. So for me, the first mark is 69.25. Or really $70, but $69.25, and then I think we could end up settling around $65 or $68.50. So we'll be watching price action as we head down lower, but we're gonna just watch the market. If we get a retest, guys, some stocks will be good for potential upside until this retest occurs. So we'll be watching this one close. mRNA does look like it's going to pull back here in pre-market, or in pre-market here to 377, looks like 378. Did anybody get my SNOA fill? SNOA, anybody in that with me from the Discord? You guys can go ahead and TP if you guys wish. I'm gonna go ahead and hold for a little while longer. Sonoma Pharmaceuticals, I signaled this twice in the chat. 2 times, just to be sure that you guys saw the alert. Yeah, definitely. So SNOA, we got a 970 fill. So you got a nice dollar move there. So if you have 1,000 shares or so, or more, this is a good TP right here. I'm gonna go ahead and trim out of this one, and I'll take it on the curl back up, unless it just rips in outer space here. So, all right. What do I think of Bumble? Wow. Why is GRWG moving like that in pre-market? Big bounce. Wow, GRWG is dead, man. Yeah, that was one of those ones that it can go lower. It's a growth stock, so it might bounce today, but there's a reason why you guys haven't seen me take GRWG to the upside in a long time. So right now we've got Snapchat. We have a massive gap. So like I said, gaps above it. What do I think about shorting Roblox at the open? And maybe to pre-market lows, 80 to 80, 30, but I would be very careful. Let's see, 15 minute. Hey, good morning.
How are you?
I'm good, man.
Yeah, good.
Hold on a second. Alright, there we go.
So, what you shorting? What you longing?
I'm gonna short Snap and Microsoft, I think. But I'm gonna wait a few minutes at the bell. Moderna does look like it's gonna go down to 375. I'm anticipating. I'm not gonna take that one. That was all your guys's. SPY has a retest to accomplish, so it's probably gonna go retest and fill the gap to 146. So that will likely give things like Snapchat, Aapl time to go and fill their gaps as well, because there are gaps all around the market.
I think I'm gonna add some data today. Equity.
Wow, that
66.
yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for a few minutes. But like I said, guys, SPY pulled back really, really hard, and even if you're looking at this previous support, a retest of the support that we broke isn't highly unlikely. So.
Let me say one thing. I was speaking with Atlas just now. If you look at the SPY, the sell-off, it's just in the ETFs. It's not in the stock market. It's not the stocks itself. So I can find the stocks. They are just normal price. It's not sell-off. It's nothing. Like if you compare it to the previous sell-off, you're gonna see the difference.
Yeah, you see the stocks one with it.
Yeah, but the stocks they already sold off before the ETF.
That's usually how that goes too. So.
No, like go look at May when the pullback happened in May, and look all the stocks how they went down, and compare it with that pullback. There's nothing compared to that one in May. I don't know. I could be wrong, but
Well, I know one thing's for sure. That SPY is getting close to its 50-day EMA, where no matter what, it tends to bounce. So I'm actually going to post this with the arrows and all.
yeah, I think it bounces. It's bouncing. I don't know. You saw that picture that the chart that I sent it earlier. The same like support, trend support.
430, 434.
435.
Oh, you got 435. Yeah, I got 434 on the dot. Is
Okay. So
where,
it's
yeah,
not that much. That's not that much.
yeah, just $1. So.
I'll give you $1. Actually, it bounced 434.50.
Oh wow, yeah.
Yeah, in the middle.
Ooh, shoot.
Yeah, there goes price. Let's push it up.
Yeah, it's gonna feel like that.
I have SPY bots. They are printing VIX's equity and some calls. They are good. Yeah, what up? I have AMD bot, which is already up 40%.
I shorted.
Can you believe we yelled yesterday 434?
Huh?
443 SPY call yesterday.
Oh, did he? Oof.
And you know we took a profit around 50%.
Oh, did you really?
Yeah,
Wow.
I took it, me, Obokab and Manny Amp. We took it as well. I was on live. I said SPY call 434. YOLO. And it's just like, not even like 5 minutes. Just, I'm done.
Yeah.
I want in the money.
Alright, let's see here. Sorry, I'm looking. So Snapchat to the upside first. So I'm gonna wait a few minutes. Is anybody in SNOA with me? SNOA, Sonoma. I'm going to go ahead, if we don't bounce off this 9, I'm going to go ahead and trim out a little bit more. Probably just go ahead and get out of the position and look for a re-entry. So, all right. Wow. Wait. Oh, never mind. D.A. David's P-A-Y-S. Weird. Okay. Alright, what else are we watching here? Good morning, everybody. Alright, we got 32 people on right now.
Shorting Roblox. Taj is asking you what you think about shorting Roblox at all.
Yeah, I told him to maybe hold off. What do I think about Guild? I'll look at Guild and Bumble though on the chart. This one's likely going down as well. Yeah, so it looks like it retested its. Let's go to hourly really quick. Yeah, it looks like you got a retest of the level that you broke at 72. And then it looks like you're going to. Yeah, you look like you're on your way for a pullback. So I would watch the $71 level for continuation of the downside. Let's see, daily time frame. Yeah, you got the 9-day moving average there. Yeah, you look like you're prone for a pullback to 760. So. AHPI.
Mask stock. HPI.
Yeah, watch that one. Okay, yeah, so, and then Bumble. Bumblebee too low.
I read one time like it's kind of a joke when Bumblebee went live. Like now I can go and use Bumblebee if my wife or girlfriend asks me why you use just market research.
Market research. Okay, so looks like you're in a consolidation phase for Bumble at the moment. You're underneath that daily 200-day or that 4-hour 200-day EMA. Yeah, so yesterday you ended the day at the 50 and you've pulled back. So if you go down to the hourly, you didn't actually get a bad gap down at all. So really I'd just be looking for a reclamation of 50, 135, and then of course the break of 52. And then from there you would like to see Bumble trimmed up. Otherwise, you're probably going to head and chop around in the zone, which means you're going to go back down to around $46. Just to let you guys know that a lot of things are moving, even the news is moving very slowly. I feel a sense of sluggishness already in the market here. I'll probably be eating my words for not buying Baba, but I don't know.
What?
So I was saying, why am I not buying Baba? And
Why are you not buying Baba?
it's not ready yet. You know, like if Baba was steak, I need mine well done. So I think it's, I don't know. There's still China. The FUD is strong. So, in fact, guys, those of you who have Baba, you'll notice that here in pre-market, that this wick has gone and filled the gap. I use this as a sign to short something. That means that the momentum is already gone to like try and push that gap, and the gap has already gotten filled. So,
What about the wick to be big buy?
huh?
Big buy, and algo corrected down. What do you think?
I think just, and I only speak historically, like from what I've noticed. I I've noticed that when especially with Baidu and Baba and a lot of these stocks that are strong downtrends, it can be the algorithm, but a lot of times that'll be the sign that you need to know. So like here, this is a good mark here. So in pre-market, we fill our gap, right? And at pre-market, you open up and you try and you go test it, and immediately falls. So you see this. Look at it right here. So here's another cyclical. So again, another wick up to try and go fill the gap. Doesn't even quite fill it. Here's another example. Another wick up, tries to fill the gap, doesn't happen. Further downside. So
That's Biowick, the same as Biowick.
yeah. PAYS is looking rather interesting for further upside.
PAYS, what PA doing? PA to 16. What do you think of PA leaps?
BA leaps, I think those aren't bad. That's not bad.
Yeah, because at 216.50 now.
Alright, guys. Those of you on YouTube, guys, if we can get around 40 streamers here, I think we'll go ahead and stay live again today for you guys. It's a slow, choppy week, so I want to be on live for that. So if you guys can, reshare this, leave a like. I do appreciate you guys a lot. So.
Benzinga up and running?
No, I do have the code, so if you would like the code, I can give that to you. But we don't. I don't have like the full. I have an interview with them today to talk about maybe. Oh, man, it makes me nervous. Me being like on the potentially the show and like on Benzinga, so it gives me immediate gas. When I think about that, my stomach starts hurting. I'm like, oh god, I don't know about.
Why?
I don't know. It's just my initial reaction. No, I do not eat. Yo, hold on. Heck, no. Let's not get that start. No, I do not eat my steak well done. My steaks, if I eat them, usually rare. Like if there's a line between medium rare and rare, that's where I'm at.
I like it well done, to be honest. If it's rare, I don't eat it.
Man,
So,
do you do catch it?
it's me.
You like ketchup with it too?
Ketchup?
Yeah.
No.
You should just go get chicken fingers. That'll be better.
I told you, you're American. Weird people, I don't understand.
Alright, sorry, I was just retweeting the.
Okay, Axbev, it doesn't have wick like the other stocks. So it can go and fill that gap up. And I believe Neo should be the same. Blink having some volume. Yesterday it ran a lot. With
Hey, Georgie, I'm gonna buy. Yeah, everybody, I'm gonna signal this really quick. PAYS. We're gonna do this at 2. This might be a swing. Actually, I like the price rates up on this one. Alright, I'm going for a fill right now. On PAYS, guys. I'm gonna hold this for a while, I think, here. Oh my god. I don't even know my password, I just know the keys.
I had ESGC yesterday. And I sold it yesterday as well. I bought it during the main session. I told a guy, ESGC, even Atlas, I think. And just projected on $1 exactly. You said you took SONM?
Yeah, SO&M was my I grabbed that in pre-market. I signaled that one twice. So. Oh my God! What just happened? There we go.
Uh, BTIX, I realized like since yesterday and today, and even the day before, they just running after hours in the pre-market and turning in the main session.
Mm-hmm.
So you got to keep an eye on that one, BTIX.
All right.
No, I know you're not gonna keep an eye, but it's okay.
BT. What is it?
GRWG.
Oh, that one dumped. GRWG pulled back really hard.
On the end. Few days we played it to 50.
Once 30 gets broken for GRWG, that's a huge retail shelf. Hey, how's what looking?
How's well looking, Sam? Good morning, guys.
I didn't look at the mirror. Feel sad?
Yeah.
Beautiful, Georgie. Beautiful.
They look like they're gonna go for a little retest here. So 575. What's up, man?
What's up,
Sam,
bro?
I'm gonna add some PNGO today. Call me crazy, but I'm gonna add.
It's a good average, dude. I mean, it's a good low. Definitely a good add point.
Yeah.
I'm just repeat, guys. I feel a sense of sluggishness right now already in pre-market. So with every okay, curl BCTX. We're getting that. We got that flush here. We're getting that curl up right now. 635. Wait, is that the one that Georgie just talked about? BCTX? Because I thought he said BCTI.
No. You told me you're gonna watch it.
I just asked you right after you said it. I was like, Georgie, what did you say? Somebody back me up on this.
I told you about it. You said, okay, I'm gonna keep an eye on it, and you don't know what I said.
I asked you. I said, wait. Did you say BT? Because I typed in the wrong ticker right after you said that. Because I was like, okay, cool, I'm gonna watch that one. And then I typed it in, and it didn't come up. So I asked you again, and then you ignored me.
I'm joking.
I'm hurt.
BCIX?
So, PTIX, Papa Tango India X-ray.
Yeah.
See, how do people do that? A lot of people have talents, but I can't do that. All right, guys, we got a minute to the bell. Microsoft. Oh yeah. Hey, Nvidia. I would set a downtrend on that one. I just make sure you have SMH up, right? Semiconductors at a really, really big low right now in pre-market, so it's got to bounce. And it really could use a retest to 255, which could give Nvidia a run to 197. But I'm looking more stuff to the downside. So Roblox looks like it might go below, really at the break of 80. And I'm looking at a break of 70 on Snapchat. So Snapchat to the downside.
Georgie, did you take profit on RSLS yesterday? Did you swing it with me?
I didn't take a profit.
Oh, you didn't take profit. Okay, so I just took profit like 15 minutes ago on some of it, and I'm still holding some. It's pulling back right now.
Ding, 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 ding.
We're open. Oh my God, what happened to them? Alright. Alright, we're open.
AMD moving
Yeah.
a little bit.
Roblox is moving. If anybody swung Roblox, $83. I need to see
Yeah.
what the fuck.
Nvidia up.
Yeah, I'm watching
No.
it. It's really, really tight right now. I'm waiting for the 195.50 break. Alright, guys, remember, just take a deep breath. We're gonna watch this one. Watch the market. Snee! I trimmed. I already went and took profit. Oh shit. Oh, for cat box.
Yo, whatever DLO is, this thing's up 26% right now and moving.
What is it? Hey guys,
DLO.
Yeah.
SNOA halted, baby. SNOA halted, baby. Woo! Let's see if it's halted the right way. Yes, it is. Let's go! Ah! Damn. Is anybody in there?
I'm in.
Okay. I signaled this in pre-market trading.
I got in at 8:55.
Nice. My fill.
I didn't go heavy though. Are you decent size? I'm only.
I already trimmed out. I was in it. I was in at 971 this morning. With
971. Okay.
Big fill. So, we're halted. So we're gonna watch that one. All right. Where's Snapchat? Retesting. There it goes. Gap filled on Snap. Hell yeah. Fuck yeah. Excuse me.
Yo, watch Chinese Education, BedU, Clue, all those guys.
You're in AMD. What? Up or down? Are you in it down or up? I wouldn't. It just filled a gap, guys. You don't want to go long on gap fills. Oh shit, Lowe's is moving. Yes, actually Lowe held up really well. Nice.
Oh, DLO Tech raised, or not raised their guidance, but beat their guidance for the past earnings. This past earnings. That's why they're up big time. And the volume is outrageous on it, by the way.
Hey man, be careful on AMD, alright? You need to get above 104.50 and close. Yo, I might take Lowe's though. Lowe's does look pretty good. Hold on. Let's go look. What the weekly's looking like. Oof, I don't like
Blue
this
halted the Chinese Education.
Keep an eye on it, Blink. Blink.
Blink, okay.
They beat guidance or earnings or something this morning came out about them.
Who, Blink?
Yeah, they did something. Something was released on them this morning, and it was like a beat. Something about revenue being really high or something like that. Let's see if I can find the...
IMPL halted.
IMPL?
Yeah.
IMPL.
IMPL.
You have it.
Of course you do. You're in Lowe's? I'm considering getting into Lowe's right now. That's pretty I'm looking at the 202.50. Spy is retesting, just like we talked about. So we're coming up on that retest 438.25 here, so very tempted to climb into Lowe's, but it needs more juice.
Oh, wait, what? No, fuck. No, don't.
What?
Nothing. I saw some volume in but it's selling volume because I think they got up on ER.
I kind of want to grab a $69 put for Snap. It's a little too soon.
I want Spy to fall $5 more from here.
Okay.
FTR.
$4 more.
Okay, there's Spy. So
it's almost at the gap fill.
What, Spy?
Yeah, almost there on the daily anyway, not on the 5.
New highs on TQQ.
Yeah, and now SO on. and SNOA both halted.
SONN.
SONN.
ONN.
Oh, look at Microsoft.
Okay, it's opened. SONA, SNOA open.
Yep, Sonoma Pharmaceuticals unhalted, excuse me. Lowe's still going.
I need to focus.
Shit, Lowe's is gone, dude.
I did grab those 202.50s on Lowe's.
I didn't get filled.
What's the flow?
I'm not earning anything. Alright, so Snap Gap filled, kind of. You added another Lowe's? Alright, you're the Lowe's guy now. Oh, SNOA, $13. If you guys got him. Alright, Snap looking puttable now. I'm gonna go ahead and slide into a Snap put. I think I'm gonna do 70.
Netflix got it. Watch
Down.
Netflix. Up.
Up? Oh, okay.
Look at it, how it's just running.
I'll just keep assuming. I haven't taken anything yet. Oh my god, Lowe's though. What the fuck? Good job if you guys got Lowe's. Trying to add, but I couldn't get it. 205s are at 118. Are those gonna even go though? Is anyone getting filled? I'm not getting filled.
I got filled. I market filled though.
What the fuck? Excuse my language, but
Are you limit filling, Garrett?
yeah, I always limit.
Order filled.
Got it.
I don't know, the volume on
You're in a snap put. I haven't gotten snap puts.
Whoa. Georgie, that's big volume on M.
Oh, DoorDash block worth 2.2.
Hey, sorry. Curl up on SONN, the one that Georgie was talking about. I gotta get it. SONN or SON. Sorry, NN.
SONN.
Yeah, hold on.
Hold on.
Oh yeah, Dash just popped off that. I think it's, yeah, Dash is going off that, Georgie. Well, it's trying. Excuse me.
Hey, I'm gonna bottom buy that SONN.
Yo, be careful with SONN, bro.
Why?
They had a share offering this morning, and they're running on a share offering.
What's the share offering? Is it higher or lower?
I'm trying to find the price. I can't find it.
Because if it's higher,
I'm
then
reading
we would
the-
run to it, correct?
Yeah, but I'm seeing $1. And this thing's trading at $1.94.
There's something wrong. Check, is it the Centicap?
I'm reading the document. It's fucking long. Give me a second.
Fast.
Anybody still in Lowe's?
I think I'm a TP right now.
I want it to break this high, and then it goes further.
Okay, all right, I'll wait.
All right, let me look somewhere else.
It's a
'cause
clean
this
breakout
document's
of
not
the
giving me
hourly.
good news.
But it double tops here if it doesn't continue. Yeah, I haven't taken SONN yet. It did run up to 260 in pre-market. Oracle. Wow. Oh no, it just gap filled really hard. And then Macy's, like Georgie was saying, is anybody taking Macy's? That's
The vol-
that's a
I
play,
grabbed,
dude.
I grabbed one call. The volume is just stupid, dude. It's
Yeah,
really
it's
high.
crazy. I'm looking at it right now.
I think they did good earning. They beat.
Yeah.
Look at 453% earning per
Order
share.
filled.
Wow, that's a destructive. That's a. Yeah, that blows it out of the water. Holy shit.
Still in lows? Okay. I'm watching lows right now, heavy. Come on, buyers, step up on lows. I still will short snap though. Not yet though. SNOA trying to go make a new high. There are the buyers on lows. All right, back above the 9, 202.75. We need it right now. There we go. Perfect. Good job. All right, let's see. Continuation candle here. 2 minutes and 23 seconds. All right, Macy's. I went and grabbed a $20 call. SONN. I need to know about that share offering. before I
Dude,
buy
I'm
more.
looking and all I'm seeing is $1 and nobody's giving it any bad news. So I guess go with it, man. But I have the S13 right here. I'll share it in the chat. Give me a second.
Watch Alfie above $11.15. LDOS. What is LDOS? Someone just told me about that one last night.
Okay.
No.
I figured out SONN. They had the share offering, but the share offering was listed for $1. It sold at $2 instead.
Okay.
So it was listed for $1, but they sold at $2 instead.
Wish selling off.
So you're not far from it, so it
Order
can still
filled.
run a little bit past it.
Hey, I know this one's. I'm
Go ahead.
watching LDOS right now a little bit. Okay, there's Snap.
Anyone MRNA downside as Garrett said?
Alright, lows. Come on, lows. Flag out on me. You said what? Snap to the downside?
No, mRNA.
Oh, no.
I see calls for Tesla.
Order rejected.
Oh, that's right.
Flow.
There is one for this week, 675, and there is for next week, 680. No, this week 680 as well.
Remember all that bullish flow that was coming in? Was it yesterday, Georgie, or the day before for SPY?
The day before.
It was crazy.
Yeah,
Yo,
but it was out, not for
Microsoft.
Yeah.
Jeez, what a bounce.
like me. I took some spy calls and I am up on 25%.
This morning.
Yeah.
I took a SPY put earlier and it was a quick scalp and took profit.
Order filled.
Alright, I just got into Snap put lightly here. Very lightly, because this one could reverse if the Qs end up doing so as well, so.
BLTR 25 pots for next week, 24. Aapl at 145.
Alright, now I'm just watching.
Yeah, don't it? Thanks.
That's exactly why I only grabbed one snap. I had it, and as soon as I entered it, did it.
I watch Amazon.
They got flow yesterday, golden.
Look at it.
Yeah, the Qs are gonna pop here. The Qs are gonna pop. I'm out of that put.
Which one, Georgie?
Rock on Amazon.
Roku.
Watch Snap to go fill the gap, guys. Microsoft above 291.40, but nice push on lows. That's what we wanted to see. Just being patient on this one. Macy's going for high of day on Georgie's call.
Dude, if Amazon doesn't hold view up, this thing could fall.
I'm not taking SON in until I know what the share offering is at. Sorry.
You heard me. I said it to you.
Oh, I didn't hear you. No, I didn't.
Yeah. It was set for 1, but they ended up selling it 2.
Oh, so they already done it? Could have already been executed?
Yeah, they already did it. They completed it today.
Oh, shit, we're okay.
Yeah.
All right, watch Snapchat to 72 for a rejection there. Qs are taking off on their gap though.
Watch EYEG. I get pharmaceutical.
I need my monitor.
IG. IG.
Oh, Kohl's and Macy's both trying to go make new highs here.
Amazon volume's pretty ridiculous, by the way, and it's holding view up now really strong.
Rocco, I said it. Let's see if it's gonna hold.
Come on, Lowe's.
Did IG hold, Georgie? No, it didn't. Never mind.
All right, we're flagging here on Lowe's. I'm gonna have to walk out of the room, I guess. Look at Kohl's and Macy's. Macy's is going for that $20 mark. Yeah, I got a $20 call that I grabbed.
That's what I grabbed too.
Yeah, I figured that'd be a good mark.
I grabbed 2 of them.
I think they reinstated their dividend.
Good. That's good.
Macy's?
Oh, they reinstated their dividend?
I believe so.
Oh,
had
yeah,
earnings as well.
Yeah, dude, when they announced that on an earnings release and the earning performance is high, stock sent a bullet on that.
Yeah.
If I would have known they reinstated the dividend, I would have added more.
Man, come on, Lowe's.
Yeah. They need it, dude. I went to a Macy's not too long ago, man. That store looks like freaking ghost town.
Really?
Maybe
Well, I
most-
don't know, around here at least, man.
Around
Like,
there.
yeah.
Lowe's, are you really gonna fucking double top right now? I don't think so. This does not look like a double top in my opinion. But we'll see. The 10 minutes left on a 15-minute candle. 10 minutes left in this hourly candle, excuse me. Yeah, I still have my snap put. I need to cut it. Shit, man. We're at the 9 here on Lowe's. We gotta hold it. I'm down on that on my entry because I entered later than I think most of you guys. Yes, Sam. Most of what's happening right now is going to be quick in and outs. I would be careful taking. Right now is not a good time to take any positions. Period, because that first initial opening bell is over. Unless we see opening range breakout. Macy's is a good one that we're watching, but right now everything is relatively quick. Snapchat going first.
On Macy's right now.
I'm a little perturbed on Lowe's right now. I know it's good, but it's just taking.
Macy's, you got 2034, and then Macy's, you got 2079. What else you got here? 2227.
I would keep an eye on Disney.
Hey, Macy's. Macy's made it.
Yeah.
Spy 442 calls for this week.
Sam, I know that that was your long-term profile, right? that you've been holding for a while. So I know that you came in with kind of a messier portfolio, but like, you know, this is an opportunity to kind of take your restart, I guess, in a way. So
Is going to that 20 or what?
I'm not taking. Roku is at resistance at the moment. Are pretty really close, 350. Come on, Lowe's. I know you want to bounce. Just do it.
Let's see what Netflix did.
That's my dumbass fault. I should slow to that one. You guys got great fills on Lowe's though. Are you still on Lowe's at? It's flagging really hard here on the one.
Yeah, I took profit on the 202.50s when, like, as soon as I saw the first red candle, basically. So I got like 40%, and then I jumped back into the 205. Yeah, when I'm down on the 205 right now.
Wow, so Nova just made a new high and a new low in one.
The blink just rejected the high of day. Let's see this color.
What?
Bingo is nice so far.
Let's go check on YouTube real quick. Yeah, Snapchat's sitting there. Lowe's sitting. Lowe's looks good. Macy's looks good. Lowe's just has to hold, man. It's got to hold 280. And it's already tapped that level. So if it goes lower, it's got to bounce. Come on, Lowe's. Jesus.
Oh,
Whoa, Macy's. Damn.
Macy's.
Nice. You guys got Macy's.
I'm about to go shopping at Macy's, bro.
I will not do that, but good job, Macy's. Just avoid that process.
He's like, whoa, slow it down, bro.
Yeah. Shop.
Give me more.
Garrett looks like a Disney pop singer. Thank you, Upst. I appreciate that.
Okay. Atlas. You know this company ASXC. We spoke about it. This
ASXC.
ASXC.
Asinus Surgical?
Yes.
Something like that, yeah.
This is
Volume
one.
looks good on it.
Yeah. So, if you like, you can add some.
Yeah, let's do it. Let me check the chart out on the daily real quick.
Yeah.
Not a bad area to add.
It's a bouncing area.
Yeah.
Alright, if you're at Lowe's, guys, here
Right
it
on.
is.
Right on the last dip, man.
Yeah, you see if you're gonna see like it's always mostly bouncing on that area.
I'm waiting on Lowe's for this flag here. Macy's, beautiful.
Yeah, GRWG.
What?
What?
Oh, wow.
Nice little recovery.
Yeah, it'll retest 30. Come on, Lowe's! You little shit.
Amazon is
Great eye on Macy's, Georgia G.
welcome.
I should have gone heavier. Fuck.
Yeah, I
Lowe's.
know, me too. I regret I only bought 2.
Don't worry, I got happier.
Georgie's like, don't worry about the whole float.
Shit. Alright, guys. Fuck Lowe's, man. Alright, we're at the 9-day moving average, guys. 265 is my stop loss here. I am down, and I got probably the worst entry out of all of you, so. Macy's moving great, though. PFE. Yes, Pfizer above 49.65. shit. Okay, there's that tap on lows. Still holding the flag. Hopefully we get a reversal here. If we don't get a reversal here, gotta go take the L.
Here, I read the funniest thing yesterday. Somebody was saying that they think Pfizer is gonna have a gamma squeeze.
What?
I was like, oh, okay.
Are you just throwing random names at shit? Like, and
I'm like, what? I'm like, do you know how big the float of Pfizer is? You know how many calls in the money would have to happen for a gamma squeeze?
Yeah, bro. Once the you know, as soon as the vaccine started to get approved, I saw these kids on TikTok that were like, you know, signaling calls, like like, you know, a few dollars out the money, calls on Pfizer, like, I'm telling you guys, once this vaccine gets approved, Pfizer's gonna go to the moon. Like, you know, I'm getting calls on Pfizer, and it's like, it didn't, you know, it just didn't do it, obviously, right?
It moved, but not like...
Pfizer, we're not gonna go and hit 55.
Yeah, no, at the time that like, those videos I was talking about, the stock actually dipped. Like, when it first got approved, it didn't go at all.
Yeah, I
you
remember
know?
that.
And this kid was just telling all of his followers to get calls on Pfizer.
Of course.
Crazy.
Pump the contracts.
Yeah,
Order rejected.
Oh, whoops, wrong one. I just almost
Order
bought a million
rejected.
shares of something that I shouldn't have. Not a million, it felt like a million.
Order rejected.
Why are you not doing it? Oh, I had fucking... Oh, that's why. Yeah, if you got Sun, good job. SONNN. Guys, I'm watching lows. It's still staying well contained, I guess, if you could call it that. I'm about to... David on YouTube said just leave the room. I'm about to.
He's like, get the F out of here, bro.
That's how it works. Apparently, I just walk away. All right, watch this. Let me go get hot coffee.
Take spy calls and just leave.
Just take 5 spy calls and just leave?
Yeah. ESGC.
Yeah, I got a big L on that one. Alright, I'll be right back. I'm gonna get some more coffee.
No joke. BP calls, 24 calls for the BP. British Petroleum.
24? BP's at 24?
Yeah. It's going with the oil. You don't know. I told you I'm paraching the oil.
Yeah, I just thought, I haven't looked at the BP chart in forever. I thought it was still at 30 or 29.
I don't know. Everyone was pushing the oil and I wasn't. I had short position in oil and done one, to be honest.
No, I wanted not
Also,
oil to do well, but the oil. Go ahead.
Also rig. You remember rig?
Yeah.
The one that goes with the oil, it's at 293 now. So it's not a bad idea if you think the oil gonna go up to accumulate shares.
That's a good point.
Macy's, how you day?
Let's go, Macy's. We're about to break a resistance. This is a daily resistance right here. If we break that, we're gonna go to 2077.
Yeah, spy for it. Spy is gonna make new high soon. You believe this or not?
Yeah. I told Manny yesterday live, or not live, but in the chat, SPY all-time high by Friday.
Yeah.
Did it work?
Why not?
Yeah.
Oh no.
Facebook say it has selected 25 local journalists to be paid through 5 million push on its
Lowe's is it's at there. It's
Oh, that's interesting.
I gotta stop out on that one. I don't know if I have any other backup. I mean, we're at the 15-day, 15 minute.
Yo, Roku.
What?
Roku. Upst.
Big stop, but did you get in mRNA?
What's going on, Roku?
Order filled.
I haven't cut lows. I'm not out.
IFT.
I'll wait for a relief bounce, but I'm not out of lows quite yet. So. Any options on PFP?
Yeah, there's like do we? No, I'm not
Or
trying.
any opinions? Pfizer.
Calls. Let me see. No, I saw 48 bot for next week for Pfizer. There is, I think I saw one call. Let me just double check it. Yeah, just one bot.
Utilities
Spy just
are
went,
going up.
Spy just went green.
Yeah. All right, we got to get bounce on lows. We're back above 200.
The Russell is struggling the most.
Is it?
Yeah.
Guys, this could very well be a rejection point for Sonnet. Guys, I have to apologize. I'm a little wrapped up with lows right now, watching this price action. So.
Position in Macy's, I think, is getting shorted. Just keep an eye on it.
Damn. All right, lows.
Did
You guys watch Bio C? Bio C.
okay? Did
Yeah.
anyone take Netflix?
Anyone watch Georgie?
Netflix.
Netflix. No, I saw it though.
No, it's not going back up.
Yeah, Lowe's is going red right now.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm watching it just the last few seconds, trying to hold 200, but I don't know if we're gonna end up. At this point, I'm just looking for a good place to exit or cut potentially.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Spy. How you pay for 39? Yes.
37?
Like close to
32? 34? What?
no.
What?
Mom thought he was our age.
He's a little older than us. Yo, Snapchat just broke that high and gap fill. So this one's probably gonna go and retest something stupid. Man. Lowe's is gonna go down here, I think. If it breaks this 200 again, it's going down. I'm waiting for this to break this uptrend. I'm fighting with this position right now, guys. I'm not gonna lie. I don't feel like hella emotional about it, but it is not a fun loss right now. So,
On what?
I'm about to lose on lows probably. It's gonna be the first red day in a minute.
It's at a support, man, so it could bounce here. There's a retest of the breakout from, if you look at the 15, you have that after hours lows. Get it, lows. After hour low on lows, and then it broke through pre-market, or not pre-market, but the first candle it opened, came back, retested, and now you're sitting at that support. So you could bounce from here.
Yeah, I literally predicted my own fate this morning. I was like, yeah, today looks like a day where I'm going to lose money. Just because of the way everything, well, not like in that sense, but like everything was set up in a way where it's like, there was no definitive like yes or no, up or down, you know what I mean? Like the market just dumped.
Yeah. I saw went in vaulted. Wow.
Guys.
Let's go in and unhalted, I guess. Oh no, it is halted. Okay.
Yeah, alright. Well, those big loss there, so get ready to sell this one.
Yeah, bingo hive day. Got that in the morning.
Yeah, guys, if you're not doing well, you're not in a winning position, if you're not in any position, it might be a good time to just go ahead and vacate. Take a load off. Wait till the end of the day. Wait till give it another hour. Macy's is doing well though. I'm holding Macy's at the moment. I'm up a good amount. But unfortunately, Lowe's is just a little bit more expensive. I haven't cut yet. No, I haven't. No. It hasn't broken or made a new low past 199.50. I should have already cut it. So 260 is where I would like to cut it, but I didn't do that. So I was being silly and I walked away. I probably shouldn't have walked away right there. So.
I would keep on. Nothing. Just lose the volume. I was thinking to keep an eye on INTC. And there goes Netflix 5-day.
Wave? We've been watching Wave for a minute. They got a price upgrade, I think. Just set an alert on it. Oh, fuck. Is this thing really going down? Yeah, if you guys want to short lows or go take a put on it, I guess, below this new low here. Yeah, there we go. 199.50. Fuck. Damn. Alright.
Baba 170 call.
This one's going to 198.85 now.
Okay. I just Intel CAU sees more and A in chip production. Intel would be consolidator in industry. Intel CAU, I am a willing buyer. Amazon IFA as well. Let's see, I am to see.
Brian.
Yesterday, Lowe's bounced off of 198.94, so maybe get a bounce.
But I have to see.
Yeah, I'm gonna walk away for the day.
Just go relax a little bit, smoke a cigarette, drink a coffee.
I just quit nicotine.
George's gonna get him addicted again.
That's what I mean. Something secret between me and him.
Oh, those cigarettes.
Look, Baba is getting calls for January 2023. 1.3 million, 1.6 million, 170 call.
Yeah, Georgia. After I found out that you eat your steak well done, I'm not taking any more of your stock.
Oh my god.
Don't worry, we get the stock well done and the steak well done.
I guess he can afford to eat it well done, you know.
Yeah. The INTC, guys, look at INTC.
Stop staring at Lowe's, dude. This shit sucks.
Georgie, I gotta come cook a steak for you, bro.
Yeah, dude.
I
got
don't
you.
mind, don't worry. Anyway,
I got you.
Heck,
Oh no, 6. Whoa, that's hilarious.
heck, what's
Hey Brian, that was a little bit early on that fill for that put, man. But you need to be on your toes. You're in a really bad channel right now. You're in a tight channel. That means that this can reverse either way very quickly. That's one of the reasons why, unfortunately, I know we have a bounce coming. I know that we have one coming, and that's where I'm going to look to cut. I'm just waiting for said bounce. I don't expect it to reverse, but just be careful. Man, that I don't know why I even jumped out, but it is what it is.
What were you saying, Georgie?
nothing. I said if you long something, make sure I don't know about it.
You gonna start taking shorts out on my long positions, bro?
You might, bro. You better be careful.
That's funny. All right, watch it here. Watch lows here. Fuck, man. I took a big L on lows this morning. Oh, it's on the pivot. 197.35 is the bounce here. Oh my god, that's way too far away. It's not Snapchat. It's looking like it's gonna go a little
Does
bit.
anyone play OTC here?
I see it, Georgia. I haven't played it.
OTC?
Yeah.
Yeah, I play a little bit of OTC, Georgia, on the side.
Look, there's one stock. It's called GCAM.
G-Can. Let me see.
Somebody's buying my calls.
Greater Cannabis Company?
Yeah.
Okay, someone's buying my Lowe's calls.
Oh, when they are firing.
There goes Macy's.
Oh, I'm still in Macy's, dude. I'm letting that thing
Me
run
too.
and recover, dude. Because Lowe's,
Yeah.
ouchie.
Yo, somebody.
Did anyone take Intel?
No, I didn't.
No, I didn't take Intel. I took Baba though. Somebody is buying the hell out of Baba calls right now because the IV on my contracts is going insane.
Yeah, look at the bounce on Lowe's. The IV is.
Never mind.
Intel? Intel's about to go to 52.25 right now.
Yeah.
Relatively soon.
You bought ASX, you should be up Atlas. If you bought.
No, I didn't end up filling. I was going to, but I didn't end up filling. I'm watching Bio C right now. I got in a little too early.
Oh god, hold on.
Volume on PLTR is high.
Okay. Alright, I'm watch Lowe's now. Let's see if it hooks me up. Oh, we're at the pivot point. We're bouncing on the 5-minute pivot point. Come on. Come on, Lowe's. I'll buy one of your stupid nailers. No, I won't. I'll go to Harbor Freight before I buy one of your... They don't even sell my brand. No, I'm not a DeWalt guy. Either. Just FYI. Makita's. Who the fuck is Makita publicly traded? Oh, it is. Oh, it's on the fucking OTC. Damn, what'd they do? Yo, Macy's is ripping. That's nice, dude. That's almost recovered half of my Lowe's loss.
Dude, I haven't sold Macy's yet.
Yeah,
I'm waiting for it. I think at 2079, as soon as we hit that, I'm going to sell one, and then I'm going to let the other one run.
I think we see 2175. Is that what you said?
2079, and then my next big level is 2227. But that's a big area for Lowe's to try to combat. All right, I'm adding more Bio C.
Oh my god, Ben, OSD is $70 at Lowe's right now? I'm sorry, dude. What the fuck?
Snap. Is anybody in Snap?
Yeah, I was, but not
Fishy
anymore.
Taco's asking about it.
Sushi, what you talking about? Fishy taco shark? Oh god. Snap. What about it? What do you question? What's your question? So no snap yet. You're dead center at a deviation line 72.25. You're already getting a rejection off that mark, and which is also a retest of the gap that you filled. So you're gonna want to see a bounce and an EMA crossover here. All right, now we're wanting to see. Okay, so if Lowe's legs down here, guys, it's going even lower, 198 even. If it reverses, hopefully we break this downtrend, and I can find some place to exit my contracts. What are we buying? We've already bought. More like, what are we selling? Damn, Macy's! Shit. You might catch me at Macy's here soon. Alright, we're curling up on Lowe's. Come on, Lowe. Yeah!
IFA.
Who?
You say you're up on those?
Yeah, IFA.
No, fuck no. Hell no.
Oh.
Are you? I am ouchie.
I think you said you were up on those. You meant Macy's, right?
In reverse, yes. I'm up on Lowe's in reverse. No, I'm just kidding.
I didn't know we were doing opposite day.
Yes, it's opposite day. Yes. We're
Georgie, you
doing
said
quite
what was up?
well.
So I anticipate IFA. Look at it.
I'm going to go ahead and TP Macy's. Thanks, Georgie.
You're welcome.
I'm waiting for this next tick up. Just soak up the tendies.
Yeah,
Oh, yes.
Palantir IFA, BLTR as well.
All right, Lowe's. Do I average down? Do I grab a $200 call on you?
This is Garrett. When he's stuck on something that's
Order filled.
Order filled. All right. Macy's probably
anyone-
going to rip to 21 now. Okay. Lowe's.
this.
God damn it, Macy. SONN unhalted. Alright, I'm gonna average down on Lowe's. I'm gonna grab a $200 call here. I'll be out of that call, right? So I'm gonna scalp this one. I think I'm grabbing it now.
If you got an enter with me, you should be up good.
Alright, Lowe's. That's at 179, 180.
Yeah, I'm thinking there's some DA leads.
Damn, I missed
Baba,
it.
get not yet. Baba, $170 call. January 2023, 2.6 million, 1.6 million.
Yo, great call on INTC. But it's getting close to a big resistance, but yeah.
Yeah.
Wow. Let me see that real quick, Georgie.
What you want to see?
I was just looking at what you're talking about. Hold on a second.
No, I was
Baba?
thinking about Baba calls 2.6 million and 1.6 million for January 2023.
Yeah, Aapl looks like it's about to dump. I'll swing a 160 call on it. Or a put. I might sell a 170 call though. A 172 call. Wow, crushed Macy's today, dude. Wow, great job. Alright, Lowe's to $231. It's got a lot of shit above it, guys. We gotta get a move on here on Lowe's. Or we did see a good breaking downtrend though. Above 201.87.
Atlas, did Vale had any news or something?
Not that I'm aware of. Let me take a look.
It's at 1825. It got pretty down.
What the fuck? Oh, Baba. Bye bye.
They pumping the
Nope. Nope.
IV.
Lows. Rejected 200. Bounce here. No, we're not. We're not gonna bounce. Hold on a second. How many? We got how many set up? We're holding the 9-day moving average on the Aapl. You know, we're holding range on lows though. Good TP on Macy's, damn. At least for now. Microsoft going for pre-market wick fill.
Nvidia.
Oh, beautiful setup on Walmart, guys. Walmart has a great setup. EMA crossover setup here. Nice squeeze. TTM. Yep, lows back down. Struggling right now. Struggling. I feel like they're personally trying to shake me out right now. Yeah, we got a bear flag on lows now. 2 minutes left in this candle, guys, and I don't see any signs of a reversal. So, unfortunately, I think lows may be heading back down to 190. I think we actually may see a drop down to 197 here, so which is going to be that.
Not a biopsy. Pulled back too far.
Damn, SE just made a new 52-week high. Holy shit, look at SE, dude. Whoa!
Had a
330
big upgrade today.
Oh my god,
360
dude.
upgrade.
I gotta stop fucking not watching that one, dude. I used to play the shit out of this one.
Bravo, SE.
Wow. What's Ozone doing? Oh damn, Ozone's feeling the low off that one, dude. Look at Ozone. Oh, that one's in France right now, ripping. In the French market. Watched Microsoft calls above 291.
Yeah, it's going, I think, for the gap fab also. They had earning today, or is it after the market?
They had earnings like last week.
No,
I'm pretty
it's
sure.
showing, why is showing me in trading view is today?
You might be. Oh wait. I don't know. That's weird. Trading View does this a lot. Actually, it's not the most accurate. Are we getting any lows flow at all this morning? Yeah, I just got just to let you guys know, I got into a bad trade late, and all I can do is manage it. All I can do is try and play it up or down, and you know at some point you can take out a downside position while you hold if you're out long. But wow, Baba guys, if you took that short on Baba, congratulations. Shit.
It was today only $200 bought for this week for loss.
IMPL.
Oh, oh. Yeah.
Damn.
There is like look at the flow that is being like 17th of August, 187 bought for this week. Games.
Alright guys, I gotta hop off.
Alright,
enjoy
bro.
the rest of your day.
Take care, man.
Hopefully everyone ends up green by the end of the day.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Alright guys. Peace out.
Later, bro.
Take some on that stick.
Never. All right, later, guys.
So we got a price target raised to $220 on Lowe's, and it dumps. Fuck, man.
I
Yeah.
don't understand. You see Baba IV is jumping, but the stock is dumping.
Yeah.
So people are getting frustrated, man. They're like, why is this thing shit still falling? Common? Robert, are you in Lowe's down or up? Are you still in Lowe's? What's your expiration? That's going to be really, really important. Shit, man. What a day, what a day, what a day. No, I haven't cut. I'm kind of trapped in it right at the moment. I already trimmed out most of my exposure. Watch Microsoft here, guys. Microsoft looks good to potentially push with the Qs if the Qs can. Yeah, Lowe's. I think Lowe's is double topping at the moment. So.
Watch the blockchain as I see the Bitcoin is just running a little bit, like Mara, Riot, Cam.
Got it. They got Lowe's in a flag. That's what they got Lowe's trapped in right now. Look at that. They're gonna take Lowe's down to 197.50, I think. All right, guys, I'm gonna leave everything up. I will be right back. Those of you on YouTube, stay tuned. I'll be right back. I'm just gonna use the restroom, take a chill pill for about 5 minutes, and I'll be right back. When CY. I have an alert set, so if anything goes awry, I'll be all right. All right, be right back, guys. I'll hop on in a minute.
The IV on Baba is absolutely insane.
Yeah, see that.
My contracts are going all over the place.
You took Netflix today with me or not?
No, I didn't take Netflix today.
Okay,
It's
look at it at home.
going nuts, though.
Netflix was nice.
Yeah, that was volume on that's really good too, but it's still holding up.
Yeah.
I gotta jump off, Georgie. I gotta go on a call. I'll try to hop back on live here in a little bit once I get off this call. All right, I'll talk to you guys soon. All right, later, bro. Peace.
What's up, guys? Alright, I'm back, everybody.
Welcome back.
Wow, ozone. Absolutely plummeting hard. Glad I didn't take that one.
Spy putting back. There's some kind of Capitol Police say probe near Library of Congress with an active bomb threat investigation.
Robert, if you're in Lowe's out till January 2021, I think you're okay. You've got a lot of time on that. And if you're in Roblox long like that, I would just hedge yourself.
There was some calls for A and Us. What do you
Who?
think of that, Garrett? A and Us.
A and F?
Alpha, yeah, Alpha November Flower.
I think I was looking at that one yesterday. Ooh, that one's going down a little bit. Woo! Yeah, I'm down on those guys. Don't worry. I'm not out of the woods. I'm down for the day. It's actually my first red day, I think, in like 3 weeks, like significant red day. I've had flat days, but I've ended the days like usually green or something, but oh wow, I see you again. Baba, if anybody took that Baba short, man, that would have been money. I should have shorted Baba.
Yeah, but the IV is playing to the upside.
Nah, you said the IV.
Yeah.
That's crazy. It'll bounce then, maybe.
Yeah, Netflix bounced. Look at Netflix again.
Holy shit. Yeah, wow, what the fuck? What are they bouncing for? Massive inverse head and shoulders, potentially. Wow, what a rip. Watch Microsoft, guys. Don't sleep on Microsoft. 293. I'm watching them.
That A and F that I told you about is Hive Day.
Are you charting? Yo, trust me. I see that pattern on Lowe's. I'm watching it, man. You guys won't catch me very often being stuck in positions, but I will tell you guys how I navigate this position at the moment. So, and what I close for. ENSC. Oh my God. ENSC. I'm not going to try that. Insight Biosciences. This is going to get halted. It's going to get halted immediately. Hold on. It's probably halted at 450. Alright, we're halted. So, give it a minute. There it is. Trade halt coming in. Fuck. Well, you snooze, you lose. I didn't even have a chance to move my hand to the hotkeys. Excuse me. I'm in Roblox 917. Oh, you're in 9. Yeah, I'm in that Roblox move. What's up?
Netflix 5 day. Netflix.
Wow. Yeah.
If anyone took it, you made good money today.
Woo! That would have been the one to get, I guess.
It's up $20 today. Netflix.
Alright. I think Lowe's is going down further, unfortunately. I don't know. This is where it chopped before.
It's by 410 bought unusual wear for 10 of September.
Yeah, that one's going down. I think we're going to see further downside, guys, if anybody's looking to short Lowe's. As far as Roblox is concerned, I would say 80-50. You know, it may be good if you're looking to potentially hedge that position. It is holding up rather well, and you see that these candles right here on the hourly are showing a bit of strength. So I'm just give a little bit of time. That's what I'm doing because it hasn't really made a move in either direction. So. Oh, we got a bounce on Lowe's. What? I wasn't expecting that. Oh, shouldn't have gotten Lowe's this morning, but I thought I might have some of that continued momentum. Ease, buddies. Yo, Grimmy, I see some people were able to take that. You guys got better fills than I did, so congratulations if you did get Lowe's or whatever the case was. Good job. Goose, are you on right now? I don't think so. Guys, if you're having... this is where shit gets real. When we start to really see these market turnovers, guys, that means that waiting and watching is the number one thing, guys. No, I promise you guys that if you wait 15 minutes, 30 minutes, and let some of those candles close that you get trapped in, you're going to start understanding... until you start resisting that type of thing. And today it didn't really benefit me in the sense where, like, I saw the candle close on Lowe's and I was like, okay, it looks like it's got good strength, and then immediately volume dissipated, you know, like just kind of flatlined there, and then it started to rise again. So I said, okay, we got continuation volume. and then you saw the major indexes. So it's one of those things where the market conditions right now, you're either very quick or you have like certain price targets like set out that you know that you're going to end up like taking. You know, watch Lowe's is starting to rebound a little bit here.
Mass is holding good, and I saw ATVI this week, $84 call, 100k. We just made high of day as well, ATVI. Played this before. That's why. Mistake. What do you think of Facebook, Garrett? Your volume in ATVI in the last candle is relative.
Once again. I don't. All right, so I apologize, Georgie. You said ATVI.
Yeah.
Okay. And then what was the other one? Facebook.
Oh shit! Look at ATVI, man. How it just ran.
Okay, so real quick, if you're looking at the stream, yes on ATVI right here. So at that mark, I got 84.15. You could reject this. You just filled the gap on Facebook. So you could, in the 200-day EMA is here on the 5, so you could end up reversing, or not reversing, but pulling back just a little bit, but it looks good for a lower time frame EMA crossover. 15-minute, that mark that I said, 356.40, that's the tip of the whole ribbon indicator. And let's see, yeah, and also the 20-day EMA. So if you can get past those two marks, I think that you're probably going to see 358, 360. So, and that's with strength and a rebound from the Qs. So, all right, I'm watching lows right now to see if it goes and breaks low of day. Facebook filled this gap really strong. ATVI looks kind of crazy. Hold on a second. I think I forgot about something. You're still in Lowe's puts? Are you in calls or just puts? Just puts. Damn. It's me against you, Brian. I'm just kidding.
No, I'm just speaking. This, the puppy is shouting at me.
Your puppy is shouting at you?
Yeah.
Why is he shouting? He's telling you the short, deep data dog.
I want to show the Vips. Look at the Vips.
Oh, look at lows. This is bilateral, so we could get faked out, but why is the TTM not firing? That looks like hot dog water. I don't know. Whoa! ENC is halted here. ENSC, excuse me, ENSC, if anybody's looking to get it filled in this one. I'm going to try for a few shares. I don't like that gap. I'm going to try for a few shares here in just a second. Hold on. I'll let you know what my fill is. Alright, I'm going now. Alright. Start with that. SO it in. Is anybody in that? That was a nice curl there this morning, but it pulled back. Cisco, new 52 week high. Yeah, Cisco is pushing up really strong here. All right, nice, nice. There we go, ENCS. There we go, nice.
Someone pumping skills on calls flow for 11 strike this week. Look at skills.
Skills. Jesus. Come to the dark side. That means take a loss.
ATVI is still going.
So,
Masses, high of day.
wow. Yeah, ATVI it's at a major resistance right now, with high day volume. So that could either mean a reversal. All right, ENCS. I might end up cutting this one, and re-entering. I'm scaling into this one. I'm not in a full size, so. But these dojis here are showing me a little bit of weakness. Hold on. Damn, dude, Cisco Systems. What the fuck? Wow. Wow. Wow, that is insane. Look at that thing. That one's going to 60 likely. Alright, so here's where that reversal can come in for...
What's happening?
What's wrong?
I saw some, I think, between Cisco and Aapl, something maybe? I don't remember. Cisco.
Alright, we're going down on ENCS, so I'll go ahead and just scale in here if it starts to curl over. We'll wait for that curl. It's got the juice though. Semiconductors. AMD. What's AMD doing? Oh my god. AMD, Nvidia.
Facebook, are you okay?
Hey guys, watch Nvidia. Everybody eyes on Nvidia here. 195 calls. Hold on one second. I just got an alert on SMH. Oh wow, SMH is kind of rallying right now, so we might see just a simple retest. AMD to 105.62. Nvidia, that one's a little bit trickier though. God, that thing's a mess right now.
Spy just said no unbounced.
Hold on a second, where's Spy at? Fuck man, I need my other monitor back.
Wait,
Okay.
why Nvidia?
Are you gonna take Nvidia? Oh my god.
I have some already. I have equity. I'm up like, oh, this is equity times 5. I'm up like 3%.
Microsoft. Fudge. There we go. I would go out till next week. 295 calls. Hold on a second. Jeez Louise, hold on a second. I'm not taking it yet.
Aapl running as well. Bro, this mass is literally is like that in the top 4 in the volume indicator today. AMD running as well.
Yeah, AMD is going to probably hit that 105, 66, 65, excuse me. Anybody in NVIDIA?
Yeah, Nvidia 190 next week, Microsoft 292 this week, Tesla 720 next week.
Jeez. Nice job, Snee. Right now, my trailing stop loss 194.95. Yeah, I'm watching that curl on those.
You see Facebook?
Yeah, I know. I'm trying to watch a lot right now. I'm like moving my screens all over. I'm missing a screen right now. All right, ENCS. Yeah, good job. It's not quite going yet. QQQ.
It's 11 o'clock.
Oh, come on. It's time to wipe this thing. That V shape on SPY. That's what SPY's. Don't doubt the SPY. All right, NVIDIA. If you guys got into NVIDIA. Okay.
If it gonna comes to SPY, it's gonna go to 200.
Yeah. My music's not loud, is it, guys?
I can't hear it.
E and CS guys here. Gonna scale into some more at this high day 517. Give it to me, market fill. Got the finger on the trigger.
Yeah, skills. Bounced off the view up and go like
Boom.
and cross a small time frame.
Feel free to TP NVIDIA here. Yeah, Microsoft, man. I don't know what my problem is with Microsoft, but it just is so slippery. That's all right. Good job, Snee. If anybody caught that one. ENCS, there we go! ENCS, new highs here at 532. Adding into strength. Volume is rising. There we go. Oops. Aw, fuck you. Lows. Shit. Yeah. I just want to know if these market makers are specifically trying to shake me out. Oh my god, if you got NVIDIA. Is anybody in NVIDIA? Did anybody grab that? You got that NVIDIA dip? Oh shit. Yeah. Wow, good play on NVIDIA. Daily. Make sure you set alerts, man. Don't let this position reverse on you. Guys, 295 calls for Microsoft. Potentially, but I'm not taking. I don't know if anybody took those, but I feel like it's a little late for me. All right, watch lows here. Starting to accumulate under that 200. Holy fuck! Is anybody in NVIDIA still? Yeah, can we get some lows fucking push? Oh, lows. Maybe? I'm almost back green on the day, guys, with NVIDIA. Wow. Come on, fucking just rip lows. Sorry, Brian. Alright, E and CS a cut for me. I don't know if anybody's in that still. I feel bad. I was first. No shit. Alright, watch NVIDIA for a potential re-entry here, guys. It's going for a high day. Possibly going to build a flag. Ouch. All right, there's NVIDIA. Wow, 198. Guys, if you got that fill, man, dude, that was awesome. I don't like playing against you either, man. I don't want to play against anybody. All right, if anybody got that re-entry... Yeah, I do. I saw that. Sorry, Austin. I'll pull that up, so... Yeah, oh yeah, man. This is going to make for a great swing. If it ends the day... If NVIDIA ends the day like this, we could see semiconductor rebound. Yeah, not a bad strike. Not this week, though. Oh. How cheap. Alright, Brian, you may get your wish here. I believe you're going to break 199 lows to the downside here. Is what we're going to end up seeing happen. Yeah, so. Kickity cut my life into pieces. NVIDIA, though, good call, guys. I might go ahead and roll some of these profits out into next week, so. We'll wait. We'll see what happens here. It's got a great push. Jesus, of course. Yeah. Yeah, I think Georgie mentioned Netflix this morning. Yeah, Lowe's is possibly going down here. Wow, Netflix, crazy, crazy, crazy. Wow, AMD new highs. You'll probably see them bing, 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 like up and down. So, AMD and NVIDIA will take turns. So watch SPY here to rebound. SPY's looking like she's gonna go for a third try. We'll see, because it could very well. Pull back. Yeah, NVIDIA did go beast mode. I hope you guys got that. Fuck. Did you get those? Yo, did you get NVIDIA 200? Oh my god. Yeah, I gotta be careful. Alright, guys, I gotta fucking get... God, oh my god, NVIDIA. Wow. Anybody on YouTube get that? Wow, we just ripped fucking NVIDIA a new one. 201.50, guys, incoming. I'm out at 201.50 if it gets there. Wow. Fucking, excuse my language. Amazing. Whew, rough morning. Alright, watch the curl on ENCS. Watch the curl here. Or for the curl. Yo, Lowe's, what is happening with you? I wouldn't even watch it. Yo, set alerts. So I'm going to set an alert at 198.78. And I'm going to set an alert at 199.89. All right. All right. Austin, did you just make that money on NVIDIA? I'm Gucci with these profits, man. So if you took profit, cha-ching, baby, let's go. All right, red on the day until now. Awesome. CRL. Charles River Laboratories? I don't know what that is, but it's ripping. Oh, D-Nut. D-Nut. Alright, guys, I think I might have to end up grabbing a... Let's go look at the chain. Hold on, let me go look at D-Nut. They got weeklies on it. They got a $15 call for... Nah, there's no way. Well, anybody want to grab a YOLO D-Nut? I'm gonna grab a YOLO $15 call. Just a couple of them. But in a more realistic strike would be September 17th, D-Nut $15 call. That's a good small account play, I reckon. NVIDIA, second entry on NVIDIA to 201.50. Coming now. Now. Sorry to yell at you guys, but now. Here it comes. There it is, 201. 201.10, 201.34, 201.50. Please. Nope, 201.10. There we go. That's a big 5-minute candle, so it might not hit it there. Let's see what we get. Sellers. Sellers are sitting at 201.25. Okay. Austin, yeah, go ahead and look to TP, man. 300%, that's crazy. All right, I'm fully out of ENCS. That was not a heavy loss. We didn't scale into the scale into it full size. All right, I'm watching the video on the 1 minute here. Holding that 9-day moving average. Okay, we are gonna get. It is about TP time though. So even if you re-entered, let's see what this next one. We got 3 seconds left in this one. Okay, yeah, pull back here. Right to this cursor. If it reverses here, it goes to the cursor. Doesn't go to the cursor. Okay, 201.50. Target hit. Oh shit. There it is. 201.50 on the dot. 201.75. Okay, let him run. Ooh, let's see if we get 202. Hold on. 202. 202. That's okay. We're happy with 205. Hut. Watch Netflix for a re-entry. Trying to go Wickfill here. Hut is making an inverse head and shoulders. Well, kind of a reversal pattern here. It looks like it breaks above 610 and it's got a decent chance at a reversal. Hourly right now, you're very, very accumulated. You're holding a pretty strong downtrend. This is on YouTube if you want to see the chart. All right, there's 202 on the video if you let him run. Woo! I am green on the day, and I still have my lows contracts because I got stuck. And we're curling up. Oh my god! Ah, boy, we got... Yo! Alright, I'm out. Fully out of NVIDIA. Yeah, I had to turn off the demon voices from TradeStation. My god, I just let the 195 call go. I don't know, wow. That was awesome. Hold on one second. God damn it. Let me pull up my, there we go. Wow. Hey, D-Nut's already up a little bit here. Main dingus. Good job, bro. Wow. 195 calls were just worth around $800. That's crazy. Wow, that's crazy. Theoretical value there. Good TP too. Hey, D-Nut, $14. Did anybody grab D-Nut? Yeah, no problem. Hut, I left the chart up on Hut for you. Yo, did you guys catch that? Coors, did you TP, my guy? How we doing, everybody? How we doing? Come back. Hey, D-Nut. Do it! Yes, pull back on the video. You should not. I'm out. I'm out. Big Stepper said. D-Nut, yuck. Yeah, do with what you will, but I'm fully out of NVIDIA. That was a fucking amazing play, guys. Doesn't get any better than that. That's perfect. And so let's go over what just happened there. One, you guys know that one of my favorite setups is an EMA crossover. Second, whenever we do get to a major moving average, even if it's on the 5, and we start to do this number, right, while the EMA starts to kind of pressure the stock, you'll get a breakout, a retest, and a launch pad. So remember this pattern. Take a picture of it if you need to, screenshot it. This is a great setup to remember because you have the... Okay, so think about it this way. You immediately pull back, right? You do see some bears get short or get trapped. For me, I like to use the whole rivet indicator too. As soon as the day starts, it'll kind of give me an idea where the trend is shifting to. Watching the video is actually trying to go again. I don't understand. I don't think I can signal a runner here, but Netflix is likely going to retest 543. But from there, what do we owe? This is actually the perfect play. Netflix or this NVIDIA play is the perfect play. I literally don't think I can picture a better, for me anyway. This is exactly what I'm looking for in a good setup on a 5-minute scalp or 5-minute day trade, because this was borderline a day trade, but not really. So what happens here is we're running on low volume with accumulation under that moving average. Your entry, even your second entry below 194.94, as it struggled with that high of day, you let that 9-day moving average cross the 200. You get the 20-day crossing and the 50-day crossing. All of these moving average crossovers, they're pointing straight up, and it gives you that signal for a reversal. Let's go, Lowe's, please. If Lowe's reverses and just rips, oh, sweet Jesus. It's highly unlikely at the moment, but we'll see. How's everybody doing on YouTube right now? Is there anything I can look at? Anybody want me to look at anything on Discord? Did you go long on D-Nut? D-Nut's a YOLO. If you took the long D-Nut call, that's a YOLO. I'm in September 17th D-Nut calls that I just signaled in the chat. Yeah, we're getting a little bit of a pullback here. I'm not digging that, but it's got time. Yeah, it's got time. It's not quite there. I'm still okay with holding it. Those D-Nut contracts are super cheap, so I don't go heavy in YOLOs. I only buy what I'm willing to lose. Yo, block trade right now on GSAT. Big block trade. Ah, Lowe's, you stupid. Yeah, Lowe's looks like a... It's bounced off the 9, though. It's holding the 9. Watching NVIDIA here. I don't know if they're going to take this one any higher, but we'll see. If it breaks here, 203, it's got... Are you're gonna wait to get into D-Nut? Yeah, that's probably a better entry. We got to get a decent entry. We're long though. There we go. Stupid. I don't know. Watch for NVIDIA for a reversal at 200. What the heck? Yeah, watch Netflix. Netflix high of day bouncing off the 9. Watch Netflix. Watch right here. I don't know if you guys are gonna play this to the upside, whatever the case may be. I'm done with it, but you guys can watch this one for high of day. All right, guys. I don't know if this is gonna end up playing out. Lows here is looking pretty bad. NVIDIA, going for that new high. Those of you who are trading right now, I think once I get off for today, I'm going to be done for the day. Today was exhausting mentally for me. Having to deal with my positions, and I'm still dealing with one at the moment. I'm green on the day. I took a pretty, I mean, if you start the day with a loss, you're down for the day, but I told you guys that I didn't really have a lot of emotions about it. It was a frustrating trade, but I was able to just kind of reel it in, breathe, and just keep looking for better opportunities. We found one with NVIDIA. I know some people got 195s or 205s, but regardless, that was a great play. Looks like it's possibly going to reverse here. I see shorts taking advantage of it on the 1 minute, letting it wick up. So watch NVIDIA short. But yeah, probably going to call it a day. I will not be on for power hour. But I will be on after hours. I'm going to try to be on around 8:15. And I'm not getting off just yet, but just letting you guys know in advance. So if you guys want me to look at any of your charts or take a look at anything, answer any questions, let me know. Yes, Sally? Also, Krispy Kreme is probably going to end up being a swing trade, guys. It's out till September, so. I'd be so pissed if I cut lows and it just reversed. Kind of looks like a bear trying to get in the. Unusual option activity. Oh, well, fuck. What? When did that come out? 11:22? Yeah, well, no shit. $200 puts? It's already there. 820. I bet you that's a hedge. Wait, what the fuck? Wow. All right, watch lows to the downside. Last bounce spot is 198. It actually might end up being a good put play though. Below that whole ribbon right there. Okay, so I use the 20, 50, and 200 EMA. So let's go to the Qs. And this is to be expected after a big red day like that. Okay. Jeez, that's a lot of drawings right there. It gets messy sometimes.
Oh, the video was nice, man.
Oh yeah, dude, I ripped it a new one. Yeah.
When I left, isn't it?
Yeah, you left this time. Can you buy lows and leave?
Laws?
Yeah.
I'm looking at Aapl, it's high of day.
Yeah. That one's getting talked about a lot on the interwebs at the moment. Alright guys, let's dig into your charts real quick. I'm gonna be yabbing for a second, as always. Huh?
Laws is squeezing at the 5.
Make it squeeze more. Make it squeeze more, Georgie! Oh god. 199 on the dot. That's where it's gotta bounce. Okay, so let's go Qs. Right now, the Qs are up against their 20 EMA. On the hourly here, guys, what happened this morning was a gap fill. Georgie, if you see anything, just let me know. So I've noticed that on the hourly time frame, if we aren't wrapped around it, it's either one of our bullish moving averages or it's one of our bearish. Any moving average can be bullish or bearish. If it's above you, more than likely it's bearish. If it's below you, more than likely it's bullish. But you use those as potential retests. At the moment, we have on the Qs, we have retested our 50 EMA. That's that purple line there. So for me, and also you could consider this if you go off of this high and you wick down, right? So even maybe here, right? But I would even just say being respectful of that price target. So I could anticipate the Qs hitting 364.75. That would also be a retest of the level that was broken. And when you get such a significant drop like this, it tends to open the door for reversals of this nature. So, in my opinion, looking at the volume is very high. Depending on how we close, this would still be. If you go look at previous bearish, like look at this day here, right on the Qs. We just let's go back. So look here. We break the linear deviation line. That's just the middle line of the channel. Then we settle. Look at where we settle. That's the 50-day EMA. On a retest, we have a huge red day, right? We break our gap down and then just fill our gap, right? Just a big green, but that's a big green day, right? Bullish candle, but it doesn't engulf, it doesn't. And so here for the Qs, if we end up stopping here or hitting that resistance and pulling back, we are still in downtrend because technically the downtrend is still in play. And if anything, you know, the Qs can simply, let's go back down here to the hourly. The Qs can simply retest this downtrend that I drew and continue to the downside. So it's all going to be dependent on how we close the day. So I'm just adding alert here. That line right there, the 365.45, and then this 200-day EMA, big levels, 365.81, that would signify a potential reversal. And then on the contrary, so watch where we reject. My mark, I don't know, I'm just going to throw it out there. My mark is 364.75. Secondary mark is 365.35. No, I don't focus on growth stocks. What in the hell, dude? I mean, I just focus on. It depends on what the market is like. Yes, in a market where small caps or speculative stocks start to, like plugs and fuel cells and all that stuff, like when they start to go back and it's when the market doesn't have a immediate ceiling on it. We're up against the ceiling on the market, so it doesn't give us a lot of room to run. So one strategy that works right now will maybe not work next quarter. So that's why it's always learning, always adjusting, always sticking to the rules that we made, right? And finding a trading plan, one that works like in all markets, you know, like that's tough. But being able to adjust and identify trends and like this morning, I took a loss on, well, I actually haven't taken the loss. Technically, I'm still in, but you know, I'm down on a certain position, and all of my prerequisites were met. But I got in late. I tried to fill like 3 or 4 times. Everybody else was already in, and then I ended up getting filled. So it is what it is. But I said this morning, you know, like this is one of those days where, you know, you could lose money pretty quickly because of the way that the market feels right now. So, all right, if you're in D-Nut, we got a nice bounce. D-Nut bounce. No way. Oh, okay. I just saw an NVIDIA pop up on my high day scanner. I was about to lose my shit. Okay, so sorry, taking me a little minute here. Starbucks. Woof. That's a lot of charts. Hold on. Aapl. Okay, so Apple's doing basically the same thing that we just talked about. Fuck. That's all I can say about this shit. Wow. So that is a reversal. That is big. That is a lot of money. That does kind of scream potential continuation. I see 147. I think, like, if anything, a retest of these moving averages here. This could be, I mean, it would be crazy, but it could be a bull trap. I doubt it. You are really, really far away from your down, or what could potentially be your downtrend here. So at the moment, you know, like with everything, looking at the volume is relatively high. The bounce is very, very strong. You are technically bouncing off of this this level. Hold on, I just got an alert on something. PLTR? I guess PLTR volume is getting high. Guys, I'm gonna look at D nut. Don't doubt the nut. Yo, watch PLTR here. PLTR. I'm in equity, so I'm not super worried about it. Yo, what is happening on lows right now? Nice. Okay, but anyway, I suspect that around 142, 147.60, or even at a high of 148.15, you should see a stopping point there. But just looking at where you bounced here on the daily, it is a really, really strong, and this is a chop zone for Aapl. So I wouldn't, you know, like bank on it just moving straight up, but you could see a couple days and some movement back up here. Otherwise, at the moment, if you go and step out and look at the daily here, yeah, so that 9 day, but 147.85 is what is on the daily right now. You're still technically in the beginnings of a downtrend, and just one green candle here doesn't really signify anything but whether it be a demand zone or supply zone. You're still seeing a decent bounce off of that level where buyers are. So tomorrow you could end up just continuing to drop to the downside. So it all depends on if we gap up or gap down. And normally when you have a big, I mean, this is a big breakdown. I mean, you lose 150 and then you end the day at 146. And for Aapl, that's a pretty significant drop. And you do all of that without any really significant bounces. So to see a bounce day like this looks great, but is also could be very much a trap. So we'll be paying close attention on how we close. I'd like to see Aapl above 148, period. So at the moment, you're approaching that target on Aapl. So.
Tesla catching some volume.
Got it. Hey, NVIDIA 205. No way. Do you have fucking Austin? I hope I didn't like. You can just get out. But did you get into? Didn't you tell me about DNUT? I was waiting for the support bounce. Sorry, Georgie. I just saw your message.
No, I was saying like yesterday when I told you I saw like a van of Krispy Kreme.
Oh, nice. Oh, God. I think Lowe's might actually do it. Come on. You dingus. Krispy Kreme, though. Hey, D-Nut. Let's go.
NVIDIA and Aapl that up on the volume scan.
Yo, look at EL, Estee Lauder. Yeah, D not moving good.
SPY back about 440.
I know.
Nice.
This market only wants one thing, and it's disgusting. And that's to go higher.
Yeah.
Tweet. Oh god, I just butchered that.
Don't live a SPY.
Oh
Guys,
god.
if anyone took Netflix with me today, that was very good play.
Yeah.
545.
Yo, look at EL. Hot fucking damn, dude. Yeah, Nvidia's about to go and hit 205 on the dot.
Oh yeah, what's this EL? It's not like, it's not volume. The volume is low.
So shit, sports betting is getting close to being legal. Krispy Kreme. Moving good.
Okay, the volume on your lows is climbing up.
Yeah, I see that a little bit.
It's out of squeeze.
Alright. John Deere. I forgot the ticker name for that. Ooh, shit. John Deere fell hard. I don't know if it's coming. Yeah, it's going into earnings, so it looks like it rejected the 390 level. Hourly. Looks like you're due for a bounce here. 355. You may go end up in retesting this dynamic. Watch D-Nut at 1460, 1450 area. That's where things are going to get a little weird. Wow, EL keeps ripping. Wow, look at Krispy Kreme go. Nice. Lowe's? Lowe's? Please? If Apple closes at 178, what would my target price be? 178. If it made it to 178, I'd be happy with that. Whee! Wow. Can fucking Lowe's do that, please?
Garrett, watch Robin Hood.
Okay. Kathy just tweeted about him.
What the fuck, Netflix?
No.
Sorry.
Hey, watch it. Watch now. Watch Nvidia now too. To go spark back up. Hold on a second.
I literally got
Wow.
the alert
Netflix.
on Netflix around. Yeah, I got the alert on Netflix around 5:25.
Jesus, dude. No, no.
I don't know if anyone got in from the group.
I'm pretty sure people got into Netflix, I think. You guys are still in Nvidia? My god. Guys, make sure you TP. I'm out.
Just
Halos. Oh god. No, come on, do it, baby. Because if we go to 203.50, we're going to 205, and that means I won't be red. I'll be in the money. All right, let's go ahead and finish this up, guys. I gotta get off, and I'm gonna be done for the day. I'm gonna just go ahead and take the rest of the day off. Well, I actually not take the rest of the day off. I'm going to be meeting with people and also working on this course. So,
of course.
I'm doing a simple how to get just basically like a little blueprint on how to get started with options trading. Need to know, but I'm recording all of it. So, like with my face and. I'm trying to go in depth. I'm also working with a graphic designer and well, really anybody who wants to help because I'm trying to make it also look and be like visually. I want to give examples and use like visual stuff like that. But it's good. It's not going to be like a crazy like. It's just going to be a pay what you want course probably. So.
Nice one. Low 200 call this week. Just came in.
Yes.
And I see some news about sport betting, as you mentioned. North Carolina Senate approves sport betting bill.
All right. Well, that'll be good, dude. Costco just is going for highs.
Pen start moving. Pen.
Yeah, Penn.
Yeah.
Hey, go peep Costco, guys. That one's going for that previous high. Also, don't sleep on Nvidia, but I would love to short that given the chance. Hold on, let me see. Stupid, not stupid. Yo, go lows, go lows, go lows, go!
Yeah, it's good.
Ugh. My aching position. Oh, we're not down that bad. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby.
Yeah, it's going, man.
Yeah, it's going. Whee! Diamond handed. Not really. I went full. I just lost it. Yo, everybody go follow Steph, STF or Schleppklick on Twitter if you have the chance. This guy's cool. I like him. He's a mod on TradingView, but he posts some pretty cool information. Wow, Aapl going to
What do you think of Ben National?
Penn. Not sure, but whoever asked, I'll go to look at it in just a second. Whoever asked me to chart Bitcoin just broke downtrend. Watch Bitcoin to go to 46 right now. 46, watch for a potential, you could see a rejection there. And so let me draw this out. I know this is like kind of far in advance, but you could ride up here, see a rejection, right? Pull back again and make an inverse head and shoulders. Or you just get a simple break and downtrend, maybe a little retest, and then you just continue to go and retest. Because we came out of that out of this rising wedge on the daily, so like that's still in play. So it's still like we're not out of the woods, I guess, on Bitcoin, but it does look like it might have a chance to rebound on this. Yeah, I think that gap will get filled, Atlas. Akimita, please call Wall Street. Ask them what the hell to do with Lowe's. Yeah. All right, those of you on YouTube, appreciate you guys. I think I got, the video, everything. Starbucks, sorry. Oh, shit.
Never mind.
Damn. Starbucks is the only stock that's not recovering.
I saw some pot flow in Starbucks today.
What? This is crazy.
Why I see some flow for hot?
Hut?
Oh, look at it, yeah. Hot. HUT. For September.
U.S. Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen says states can use relief funds to assist unemployed.
Come back here then.
So Yellen's talking right now.
It's like I should close out the position now. This woman, she doesn't know what to say.
Yeah, hold on. Let me make sure she doesn't wreck my Lowe's position. But let's go Lowe's! Ow, fuck, dude. I gotta stop slapping my hand. Fuck. No!
Microsoft.
No! Oh, I knew you were about to say that. Oh my god. Did anybody grab Microsoft calls earlier? Anybody in Microsoft at all? Oh my god. What a slippery stock, man. This thing. Alright, I'm taking a $300 call, Georgie. I'm taking a $300. And there's nothing you can do about it. I'm just kidding. That's ridiculous. That's ridiculous. This all came on low volume.
Look at the volume now at the last candle.
Yeah, give it a minute. I'm gonna take a 300. I'm gonna let it pull back, but I'm gonna take a 300 at some point. One of my fingers is broken, and I keep like every time I win, I like punch the palm of my hand and like hit it, like hurts my finger. Like Gotta stop. I can get too pumped up. Swappy, you did grab Microsoft's? Okay, good job. Georgie, your hood. Look at it. Oh, sorry. I'll look at hood.
I look at SQ. SQ is moving.
Okay, alright. Georgie, I'm getting the 300s.
Spy gonna run. Spy running.
I guess we're going back up. Fuck. I mean... Alright, let's see. August. No, we gotta do September, I think. That's 29 days. That's a lot of guapo right there. 305s. Man, I feel like we could get a little bit more of a lucrative strike here. Fuck. I'm gonna look at September. Yeah, I'm gonna get September's. I'm just getting. Guys,
Yeah.
I'm getting Microsoft September 17th, $300 strike. I will hedge this with weeklies, so I'm not letting this get away. And if it decides to reverse, so be it. Stop loss on this one's below 293.75. Make sure you grab a put below the 9-day moving average on the 5-minute because I still am hopping off. So if you guys are I'm gonna swing this. I'm swinging Microsoft $300 calls. If you guys want to go closer to expiration, that's up to you. I'm just letting you know what I'm doing. So I don't trust the market, so I'm paying for a little bit of extra reassurance. I also will be grabbing Q puts towards the end of the day to reassure my protection in my position. So. Alright guys, watch Estee Lauder here. I think that one might go up. Robinhood looks like a hot garbage. D-Nut, guys, might be worth a little bit of a trim out, but I'm still hanging on tight to the donut, so... You can't hear anything? Oh, that's not good. Anyways. Bro, what are you doing? What are you doing? Come here, chomp. Oh my god. You guys in Microsoft? New highs on Microsoft. Wow. 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 Holy shit. Wow. Excuse me. Okay, gonna add some weeklies underneath. Oh, Ellie, or not Ellie, Vogue. Oops.
You took that Microsoft call?
Yeah, I got that Microsoft call.
Look at Microsoft now.
I'm staring at it right now. I'm just trying to. I don't want it to know that I'm excited. Wow, Microsoft. Wow, Microsoft. What a way to end.
Microsoft will raise news. Microsoft will raise Office 365 business subscription price in 2022.
Oh, wow. Whatever it takes, I guess. Fuck Lowe's. Lowe's now in a pennant, which is not good for me. That means Lowe's is likely going to go dump to 197.24, which is a pivot point. What are you doing? Georgie, will you make Lowe's go up, please? Robinhood is really consolidated here. Watch it above 46.27 if you're gonna, or 46.35 really is safer, but. We need 201.35 on. Oh, bruh. All right. Yo, Swappy. Dim, I'm holding this one for a swing. This looks amazing to hold. Right now, it's holding the 9-day moving average on the 5, so I'm using that as my bullish moving average. So wanted it to hold that. So it could even consolidate here. The wick where we just wicked off of 296.71. That's obviously a very big level, or a big level. So low is off the 5-day, 9-day moving average here. Nice strong bounce there. Damn. Yeah, we got a couple minutes. Watch the one. Oh, I don't like that. Hold on a second. So get above 295.85. Guys, watch Robinhood. Watch Robinhood for a strong pop. Georgie, you're really pent up against this support or against this resistance. I think you go. Oh yeah. I think you go. Those of you looking to play hood, watch it. Just watch it here closely. No way, Macy's is bringing back Toys R Us toys? No shit, this one's going, oh, it's still going. I don't want to throw up. Dim, yeah, we might flag out here. So we might build a flag. I don't know if you're in this, but I'm holding this for a swing, so.
You sold Msft? Or you still in?
I sold it.
Okay.
Why? Why did I do that? It's okay. All right.
I dropped out of Netflix.
You did.
Yeah. Enough for today. So I think I'm gonna sure it out.
Hey, Robinhood. Hey, this one's getting ready to rip. I think I'm not 100%, but it sure looks like it's gonna go.
Yeah, I do believe that the volume is climbing.
Yeah, I might take a. What do the hood options look like right now? $47 call for this week. I'm gonna grab one now, and I'm gonna go. I'll let you guys. My stop loss will be 45.65 below that. So. Okay.
It did the daily.
Mm-hmm.
I've seen a lot of call flow today for a class.
Cliff.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Different cliffs.
That could make sense.
And they are all like, well, this one for this week, but some of them in September.
Yeah. All right, man. Well, I'm done for the day, guys. I'm tired. I need to get some rest, and I'm gonna go play with my daughter right now. So she's probably punched a hole in the wall by now. So nice. Good job solving this. If you guys did get any gains, if you will, post them in the gains channel. If you guys had a hard day, or anything like that, be sure to reach out to me, or I saw some people in the FOMO gulag, talking about chasing things, and
You don't have the chance, you don't have to hold for long.
no, yeah, and it's just one of those days. We knew this in pre-market, so if you know that the day is not going to be a super awesome day, then more than likely you're gonna continue to lose. And especially people start revenge trading, emotions start running really heavy. So if that first play, if the conditions were like they were this morning, then you just do not trade, or you wait for like significant levels to be broken, like Netflix and Nvidia, and like those were ones that you could have just waited on. I made the mistake of hopping into lows. I made the mistake of hearing someone else say lows and then me jumping on it, which was already too late. I'm only human. I make the same mistakes, and just try and do better. At these situations. So I did and was able to negate some losses, trim some exposure, and I've done the best I can with that position to make sure that it's managed well. And I'm still watching it as we speak. So, but yeah, guys, just remember that if you guys have a small account, stop going for those home run plays. Every play, it's not going to happen. You will blow. Here's what I will guarantee you: you will blow your account before it blows up in the direction you want it to. And even if it does blow up in the direction you want it to, it's going to be really hard. That doesn't mean you don't take risk or you don't find high probability trades and size into them into strength, or like sometimes when you have a $300 account, you got to take if you have something that's like low risk, high reward, you got to take a little risk. But at the same time, if you're okay with building something long term, then it's best to just follow the rules that you set for yourself. Know that you only want high probability setups. You only want clean breaks, and go look, guys. Go look. We talked about the Nvidia setup. Let's see, this morning. This was perfect, and I'm gonna write it down. But this is exactly what we want to see when we're looking to take a position in something. a pullback, right, at pre-market highs. So see the pre-market rejection. We get that pre-market rejection, and then when something establishes a big pullback like that, right, because everybody's expecting further downside from yesterday's trend, and then it does not go down, like that candle right there, guys, on the 5-minute shows you from 187 all the way to 190. They take this thing back. Buyers are present, and then remember that these moving averages are designed to show you, what's happening to the trend. So in this case, you know where the rejection level is, and this was the perfect play. Nvidia really was. I'm sure Netflix was probably, it looks like the same setup. So like, and then you also have your ETF, right, that has yet to hit downtrend. Okay, so that's exactly what we just had happen here, is we just have this lower time frame downtrend, and that's where we ended up going and retesting, is that downtrend resistance where we got our rejection. But all in all, that was a really good play, and it took, I don't know, what was that? Let's see. Yeah, it took about 45, almost an hour and a half, so setting alerts in pre-market, may be the best way to stay safe. So stay safe by setting rules for yourself, evaluating and being up early, and knowing how to evaluate the market and feel it out. So, but anyway, I'm done. Aapl. What's going on with Aapl? Apple's holding okay, but like I said, guys, it's still we're still in that messy part of I mean, like if you look at SPY get above 440.50, then we'll likely go see 441 again, then yes, Apple will likely see continuation. But at this point, I wouldn't go and like start getting overzealous, because that's probably exactly what they want you to do. I'm not quite sure. SPY didn't quite make it to its 50-day EMA either. So I'm not quite sure if we're going to actually see a full rebound, but just watching the price action today, looks like we could at least on Apple see a retest of 149. I know that sounds ridiculous, but that's where the 9-day moving average is right now. So, all right. Yeah, market backing for Apple. So, all right, guys, you guys have a great day. Big love. If you guys have any questions, hit me up. I'm going to be working, I got a meeting with Benzinga here in a little while, so I will be contacting people afterwards about whether one-on-ones, whatever it is. So let's see. All right, guys. You guys have a good day. If you guys are looking, those of you on YouTube, if you're looking to join, I had somebody just DM me. If you guys are looking, we do have a yearly discount. It's going to be like 20% off the entire year. If you're a student in college, we have a student discount as well. But if you guys are looking to get into the Discord, eventually as the Discord grows, the YouTube will be siphoned, just because I'll have more and more people to meet with and that kind of stuff. So I'll end up having something where it's a little bit easier for people to, if they don't have time to like subscribe, they can at least take part in certain aspects of the chat that they want to, rather than the whole thing. So, but those of you who are, just make sure to shoot me a DM on any of the social medias, and I'll get back to you. But hopefully you guys had a great day. And if you didn't, I'm still available to talk to you, even if you're not in the group. So, yeah, have a good one.